Let's see what happens when I go to take this thing off of here. Alright, it didn't even need to hammer. Neither did that one. Alright. I use PP blaster on there, just to be on the safe side. Alright, so got those two guys. Okay, that is, as we see, just the cover. Okay, you can see an arrow in, arrow out. Had to do one hammer, and that one didn't have to do any. Okay, that comes off like that. Okay, so I need two fuel lines. Well, I need to replace these two. Need to get to where it's going in there. That's going to be a little difficult. Need to clean this. But this doesn't look too bad. Well, my next step for the fuel system is to get the fuel pump up and running. First, I want to clean it, so I'm going to remove it. That'll also give me access to back here so I can polish all this up, make sure it's all nice and clean. So I've already cut these hoses, so I'll remove them when I have it on the vise. So what I need to do is I put these screws here to store them so I wouldn't lose them, but to get to these these bolts, I have to get rid of them. Now I have a 10mm socket for that. Loosen that up. Okay. Should be able to do it by hand. Yes. Now that I have the bolts removed, I am able to pull this pump off of here. Okay, see, that's the spring-loaded arm that runs that diaphragm. This is the tachometer pickup. We got a gear there, we got a gear here. This is the camshaft for the right side head, and it spins this. Yes, a tachometer registers. So I should be able to pull this off of here. There's going to be something here, but it seems to pull right out. Pretty dirty. See, that's why I want to take it out. Take it off of the bike. I'm going to remove the top of this pump. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, number 5. Okay. Alright, we've got our valves in there. This one's suction. See, that goes in, that comes out. Check valves. See, now I want to clean this because I don't think I can get this. I do not know how that is connected. I don't know how that's connected. Okay. You can see how scruffy that is. Let me clean that off. very scruffy. Huh. Now there is a way to disconnect that. But I'm not going to worry about it now. It seems to be good there. I just need to clean both sides. So I wanted to be able to clean this face easily, which I can. It's actually not bad. So there's the physical pump. Okay. Simple enough. That's all very clean. I don't think I am going to touch any of that. Okay, looks good. Okay. There we go. Just gotta clean the housing. So I need to clean that diaphragm, clean that surface there, clean that surface, and polish that up. Everything's cleaned as well as it's going to get. It actually gets covered up by some chrome that needs to get cleaned. Here's one piece. This part covers that. Need to polish it up. And then this one covers that. Oops, this goes like that. So this covers the actual pump. That other piece covers this 90-degree adapter. So now I'm going to put it back together. Alright, just finger tight. Okay. Alright, which one's the ugliest? Okay. I'll put this one here, because it's not seen. These two are actually covered up as well. These, on the other hand, help hold the cover on, the chrome cover. So we'll make those pretty. Gotta torque these to the proper specs. Notice how I'm torquing them to the proper specs. Oop. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, now I can take this back off. It goes in here like that. I'm going to clean these threads up. I'm going to use this tap. It's 8 mil. If you see it right here, it's 8 millimeter by 1.25. So spray a little lube on there. Come on. Go. Don't want it too much. I do want the bolts to stay in there. Goes there. Snuggle that up. I don't know if I want to. No. Now that's torqued to the proper specs.